Welcome back. Snoop Doggy Dogg, Wu-Tang, Puff Daddy, all record-setting rap artists. And now there's Rebel XD. And what sets him apart from all the other rappers is speed. Mark Thompson is with him in our Guinness studio.
Man, y'all ready to witness this?
Hey, check my swag, I travel like sound, dog. You play hard and I'm gravel like ground, dog. I'm underground, call me groundhog. Lay down laws, I'm the ground law. But don't confuse me with the law, nah, but just confuse me with my paw because I am the Birdman J.R. I ain't trippin', boy, I play the corner like Ripkin, boy. With the 40 cal Ripkin, boy, Ripple, boy. Flip your vehicle, split your windshield, whack your baby mama, but I let the kid live. Yeah, and people say that I am a kid still, cause the little guys still ride on big wheels. Okay, you running with the dawn. Come through nice, ice bucket on my arm. Run through lights and the bubble gums a ridey. Top kick back like I know a little karate. Mommy like Wayne, so she show a little body. We blow a little chronic. Got it in my pockets, man, because I'm hotter than a up in my tires. Hey, so check my twires. Beats well, make them scream. M11, make them holler. Yeah, I'm a 1-7 scholar. I son y'all boys, y'all all Kevin Johnsons. You see me with my Marbury posture. I don't play ball, I point guard every dollar. I'm going hard and your girl behind me, and I came so fast that she had to rewind me. Where's the...
And you know we got to kick it. Shout out to KG, I'm the newest big ticket. Okay, got my man Lil Wayne. Come across, test too much and you become a blood stain. I'm making this off the top of the brain, like little flippin'. I'm talking about game. It's Big Tigger, Rap City, how we do it slow. And you know, check the video.
Oh, baby, a triple!
Монстр kill, давай, монстр давай.
Ебашь, Колян, не ссы. С ноги ебашь, что ты гонишь? Все, вообще красавчик, Колян.
Ryuji no Keno Kuraya!
Good night to you. Good night to you.
Get Rick.
Побежки. Блять, на мертвеньком надо вольтурить. Ему. Aşırı yine aslan. Ne yapıyorsun lan? Buyurun. Valla kadar tarih kesmiş kız. Normali.